Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anat. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my short passion twist. And before we get into the video, if you're new to my channel, you're definitely welcome. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below what you think. Make sure to also click the like button. Now let's get to it. So what I did first was make sure that I section my hair with the rubber band method. So after sectioning my hair, I went ahead to fix the hair, but I'm going to show you how I did that. So what I did was I crocheted the hair in. So basically after that, I tried to divide my hair into two to make both sides equal, and then I went on to twist it clockwise motion. So I make sure to put rubber bands at the ends to avoid unraveling. And that's basically what I did to the rest of the hair.
Walking on fire, trying not to bend my feet. I'm tired of fighting, saying things we don't mean. You know I don't like it when you're packing your bag and turning your back, calling me a liar, calling me a liar. Walking on fire, trying not to bend my feet. I'm tired of fighting, saying things we don't mean. You know I don't like it when you're packing your bag and turning your back, calling me a liar, calling me a liar. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. I'm terrified of losing you. Touching your body, but feeling like I'm all alone. You don't seem to want me, even though you told me so. And baby, I wonder if we should just go separate ways. We could start over, we could start over. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. I'm terrified. now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized.